You guys don't want to take that first step. That's telegraphing. It's just stupid. You have easy to hurt taking that step like that and then he's sliding. That's like double telegraphing.
So this is to answer Alejandro Vasallo's question, a really good question.
And as soon as you take off, here,
I'm gonna start doing more videos like these, just answering people's questions immediately. I see your guys' comments quite fast anyway, so I was sitting here having breakfast when I ran into the comments, so I figured I'll just make this video immediately. In case you guys are wondering what I'm having, coffee, bread, just had a banana, about to have an orange juice. Not the healthiest, but it's not bad. Anyways, that said, Alejandro asked me if I could break down how to pivot or how to chamber for the kick that I did, fixing Sensei Seth's Fix It video, basically. He's asking me how to basically train for that, which is a really good question. And as soon as I finish this breakfast, I'll show you guys exactly how to do this kick, so stay to the end of this video, guys.
For those of you that know traditional martial arts, like a traditional tiger stance, for example, a tiger stance will be here. You put your leg sideways, your foot sideways. That's why I'm using these red lines. You go with your left leg 1, 2, 3. So your heels are in a straight line with each other. This is an old school tiger stance. Probably not the way you guys are doing it right now, but you guys want to be basically here somewhere, okay? Now, the first way I recommend you guys to do it, so you guys can get the strength on both legs for this, is to first focus on the front leg. So you're gonna pretend you already took off with the back leg. So let's pretend for a second you already took off with the back leg. You're already on your way. You can use your right hand here to support, and then basically you want to tuck in the leg. So you already did this movement. So now you want to just slide forward with this leg in a relaxed manner and push yourself off with your right hand. So just a little bit like this. Again. Don't touch with this foot. You already took off. Support with this leg. Once you with the hand, once you already did it with the hand, do it with no hands maybe. Pretend you already took off, and then this is gonna be a hard one. You guys want to slide forward only with the blade. So right now I did the kick, but you guys don't need to do the kick immediately, of course. If you guys are doing just this, that's good enough for the start. Even if you're only moving forward a little bit, the distance you will catch up on that, the stronger you get doing this kick. Make sure you're patient and careful doing this though, guys, for real. So one more time. First holding, then not holding, and you go forward and you kick. Okay, the next step is to do the opposite thing. Now comes the fun stuff. You hold. You basically don't use the front leg much. You basically only touch with the tip of the foot. Tip of the foot, you put your balance more on the back leg. So now you're gonna really more or less do the kick now. You're gonna push off again with this hand and the leg just to get extra support with this side. Because you need to keep in mind, you're gonna tense up the right side a little bit. The left side's gonna be more relaxed, but as soon as you take off and twitch the right side, this side needs to move forward. So basically, it looks like this. Okay, again. Once you guys get good at it, maybe do it without the leg. So keep this leg straight, like you're checking a kick. And then do that. One more time. Leg straight, then you put it down a little bit. You just slide. Look at this leg, at the foot. You just slide. And once you get good at that, once you're good at doing it, maybe with the leg up here, only using this leg and then landing it. Once you get good, sliding. So you take off and you slide. Once you get good at that, then we're gonna skip to the next part. You guys see here at 3, 2, 1. Now right here from fighting stance. And we're gonna do it basically from a Muay Thai stance. So you guys want to take off with the back leg first. Or at worst with both legs at the same time. But not this leg first and then the back leg. So you guys want to put the weight on the back leg. Make sure you're looking at your opponent. Then you take off with this leg first. You need to have this one like this, like relaxed, but you need to not put it straight. You need to bend your knee, basically. So you want to be here. And as soon as you take off, here, you basically do the spin kick. 1, 2, 3. Bats! And good night.
If you follow this video and get to do it this way, you'll be ready to knock people out in no time. To the next video, catch you later.